Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to Banking Help SA. This is how to open an FNB account for PayPal. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your website layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and going to the official FNB website. It is important to know that PayPal withdrawals in South Africa are processed through FNB PayPal services. You do not need to bank with FNB to use the service. So these steps can be followed whether you bank with Capitec, Nedbank, Absa, Standard Bank, or any other South African bank. From the FNB website, go to the home page. Then select Register at the top of the screen. If you do not bank with FNB, select Register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. If you already bank with FNB, simply select the registration option that applies to you and follow the prompts. If you selected Register for PayPal for non-FNB customers, choose whether the profile is for you or for your business. Then select the option that applies to you. From here, fill out the online registration form and enter all required information. Once you have completed the form, submit it to create your account. After your profile has been created, sign into FNB Online Banking. Your FNB PayPal profile will then be ready to use and link to your PayPal account for withdrawals into your South African bank account. If you need help linking your PayPal account, I have a separate video showing that process, which you can find on this video's end screen, in the pinned comment, or through the info card in the top right-hand corner. And that is it. That's how to open an FNB account for PayPal. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.